Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making sorrel popsicles. I'm going to need sorrel drink first. I have 1.5 pounds of sorrel in my bowl, and then to that I'm going to add 6 whole cloves, 6 pimento seeds, some cinnamon, and then half a cup of ginger. To that I'm going to pour boiled water, and I'm going to make sure that all of that is covered, and then I'm going to leave that overnight. Then I'm going to separate the solid parts from the liquid. Then I'm going to strain that through a cheesecloth. I'm going to make my popsicles. I need 2 cups of sorrel drink, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a cup of sugar, and half a cup of sorrel. I'm going to heat the sorrel in a pot, and I'm going to add the sugar. I'm going to dissolve that. Then I'm going to add the cornstarch. But before that, I'm going to dissolve that in the half a cup of sorrel. Once that's done, then I'm going to combine that with the rest of the mixture. I'm going to turn off the stove, and I'm going to allow that to cool. I'm going to prepare my molds. Then I'm going to pour the cooled mixture in my molds. Then I'm going to cover those. I'm going to place those in a freezer, and my popsicles are now ready to be eaten. This video is dedicated to Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Dr. Baillie. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.